How to restart or switch off any Android smartphones without pressing the power button. For that, you just have to go to settings on your Android device. Then scroll all the way down and select additional settings. Now here, you need to choose accessibility options. Now tap on accessibility menu on this panel. Now make sure to turn off the shortcut button. Come back from this page and tap on again the accessibility button which is underneath. Now you can select the location of this accessibility button as well. So let's tap on location. Here you can choose two options, that is floating button or navigation bar. You can choose any one you wish to. Right now I'm selecting navigation bar. Let's come back from here and come back to this home screen. As you can see on this home screen, bottom right corner of the screen, a small person-like icon which is the accessibility shortcut button. So let's tap on it. When you tap on it, you can see the power button. So when you tap on power button, here you will receive or you will have the restart or power off option. You can simply slide the slider or this center button towards restart if you want to restart, or if you want to switch off you can simply slide towards the power off button. So in this way you can easily restart or switch off any Android smartphones without pressing the power button. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.